Welcome to See the Sights, your perfect travel companion to all the wonders of the world. Ever wondered what European cities are a must-visit for individuals like you who have a passion for history? You're in the right place. Today we'll embark on a virtual journey through the top 10 European cities that history buffs simply cannot miss. From Berlin's pivotal role in 20th century to Amsterdam's artistic and World War II history, we'll dive deep into each city's unique historical significance. So stick around, history lovers, and join us on this exciting journey back through time. If you enjoy our content and want to support our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for some amazing travel deals. First stop, Berlin, a city that has been at the heart of 20th century history. This metropolis has borne witness to some of the most defining moments in modern times. From the rise and fall of the Berlin Wall, a concrete symbol of the ideological divide during the Cold War, to the iconic Brandenburg Gate, an architectural masterpiece that has stood the test of time and turmoil. And who could forget Checkpoint Charlie? This famous crossing point between East and West Berlin was once a symbol of division, but now stands as a testament to unity and the indomitable spirit of the German people. In Berlin, every brick, every street corner whispers tales from a bygone era, yet the city isn't stuck in its past. It's a vibrant, ever-evolving landscape that beautifully weaves history with modernity. Berlin is a city where history lives on every corner. Next, we set sail to Lisbon, the city of maritime marvels. Nestled on the Atlantic coastline, Portugal's capital is filled with seafaring history, where every cobblestone echoes with tales of adventure and discovery. Here the Belem Tower stands tall, a sentinel of the sea. This fortified tower, an iconic symbol of the age of discoveries, once guarded explorers venturing into unknown waters. Its ornate facade, a blend of Moorish and Manueline architecture, tells stories of a time when Lisbon was the launch pad of the world's greatest voyages. A stone's throw away, the Jeronimos Monastery stands resplendent, a testament to Portugal's golden age. This architectural masterpiece, adorned with intricate carvings of maritime motifs, once provided solace to seafarers, offering a sanctuary before they embarked on their daring journeys. Lisbon is a city where the breeze carries a salty tang of the sea, and the sea whispers tales of the past. Now we venture to Dublin, a city steeped in age-old stories and literary legends. The Irish capital oozes history, its roots reaching back to Viking times. The cobbled streets whisper tales of ancient warriors and seafaring explorers, while the city's architecture wears the mark of its storied past. Trinity College stands as a beacon of literary tradition, housing the illustrious Book of Kells, a remarkable artifact that dates back to the 9th century. Dublin Castle, once the seat of English rule, now stands as a symbol of the city's turbulent history. And let's not forget the Kilmainham Jail, a chilling reminder of Ireland's fight for independence. Dublin is also the birthplace of literary giants like James Joyce and Oscar Wilde, their works serving as an enduring testament to the city's rich cultural fabric. So, take a stroll down the lanes of this literary haven, and you might just find yourself stumbling upon a story. Dublin, the city where history and literature intertwine. Moving eastward, we arrive in Budapest, a city that straddles cultures and epics. This gem on the banks of the Danube is a palimpsest of history, with the Roman, Ottoman, and Austro-Hungarian empires leaving lasting marks on its character. At the heart of the city towers the Buda Castle, a royal palace that has seen sieges, reconstructions, and transformations, much like Budapest itself. Then there's the Parliament Building, a Gothic revival masterpiece that stands as a symbol of Hungary's independence and resilience. But Budapest's past isn't just confined to grand edifices, it seeps into the everyday as evidenced by the city's famous thermal baths. Dating back to Roman and Ottoman times, these warm healing waters offer a relaxing dip into history. And let's not forget the city's vibrant food scene, where each bite tells a story of conquests, alliances, and cultural exchanges. Budapest is a living testament to the ebb and flow of empires. Now, prepare to be dazzled by Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. A city where the spirit of humanism was reborn, Florence is perhaps the best example of a time when art and science walked hand in hand. It's impossible to discuss the Renaissance without mentioning Florence, the city that gave birth to some of the world's most celebrated artists and thinkers. Right at the heart of the city, The Duomo stands as a brilliant beacon of architectural grandeur, its dome a marvel of engineering that still inspires awe today. Then there's the Uffizi Gallery, filled to overflowing with masterpieces from the likes of Botticelli, Leonardo, and Caravaggio. And let's not forget Michelangelo's David, a symbol of strength and youthful beauty, standing tall at the Galleria dell'Accademia. Every corner, every piazza in Florence whispers tales of a glorious past, where art was not just decoration, but a way of understanding the world. Florence is the city where history and art dance in harmonious concert. Venturing to the far north, we discover St. Petersburg, Russia's window to Europe. Born from the ambitious vision of Peter the Great, St. Petersburg is a product of the Tsar's grand dream of a city that would rival the splendors of Western Europe. Here, the Winter Palace, once the official residence of Russian monarchs, stands as a symbol of imperial grandeur, its opulence unfathomable. Step inside and you've entered the Hermitage Museum, home to more than 3 million works of art and artifacts. It's a cultural motherlode that rivals any in the world. And then there's the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood. Despite its somber name, this church is a joy to behold. Its multicolored domes and intricate mosaics are a feast for the eyes, a testament to the artistic brilliance of the Russian people. St. Petersburg, a city that bridges east and west, a city where history whispers from every corner, telling tales of ambition, grandeur, and the indomitable human spirit. Next, we journey to Barcelona, a city that wears its history with pride. Barcelona is a city where the old and the new intertwine flawlessly, creating a unique cultural tapestry. This city is a testament to Catalonia's rich heritage and architectural grandeur. Walking through the Gothic Quarter, you'll be transported back in time, surrounded by centuries-old buildings whispering tales of yesteryears. Then there's the Sagrada Familia, an architectural masterpiece that's been under construction for more than a century. This basilica, designed by the famous Antoni Gaudi, is a testament to Barcelona's dedication to its unique Catalan modernism style. Not too far away lies Park Güell, another Gaudi creation where colorful mosaics and undulating stone structures create a whimsical open-air museum. These historical highlights, among many others, make Barcelona not just a city but also a living and breathing work of art. Barcelona, the city where history thrives in vibrant color. Now, we sail to Copenhagen, a city that showcases its Viking past and maritime heritage. Nestled in the heart of Denmark, Copenhagen is a city that whispers the tales of fierce Viking warriors and grand maritime voyages. It's a city where ancient history and modern charm coexist harmoniously. Let's journey back to the times of the Vikings, those legendary seafarers who once called this city home. Each cobblestone, each alley has a story to tell of Viking sagas, of conquests and explorations. And the Renaissance castles, they add a touch of regal grandeur, standing as silent witnesses to the city's rich past. But Copenhagen isn't just about the Vikings and castles. Its maritime heritage is proudly displayed in Nyhavn, the city's vibrant waterfront district. Once a busy commercial port, Nyhavn is now a picturesque hub filled with colorful houses, charming boats, and a lively atmosphere that's as captivating as its history. Copenhagen is a blend of the ancient and the sea. Moving north, we find ourselves in Stockholm, a city spread across 14 islands. This Scandinavian gem is an absolute storehouse of history, where every cobblestone street tells a tale of the past. In the heart of the city lies the Old Town, or Gamla as the locals call it. A labyrinth of charming streets where the city's medieval past comes alive. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the Vasa Museum, home to the world's only preserved 17th century ship. A confirmation of Sweden's maritime past, the museum is an unmissable stop on any history lover's itinerary. Let's not forget the Royal Palace, one of the largest palaces in Europe. With over 600 rooms, it's a grand testament to Sweden's regal history. From the changing of the guard to the opulent state apartments, the palace is a spectacle of royal grandeur. Stockholm, the city where history is an island-hopping adventure. Finally, we land in Amsterdam, a city that marries artistic grandeur with poignant history. The Venice of the North, as it's often called, is the prime example of the Dutch Golden Age of the 17th century. The city's Ring of Canals, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, whispers tales of this prosperous era, each waterway a vein pulsing with stories of past glory. Nestled among the charming canal houses, we find the Anne Frank House, a haunting beacon of World War II history. This humble dwelling turned hideaway paints a vivid picture of life in hiding as narrated by the young diarist herself, Anne Frank. Then we shift from the somber to the sublime at the Van Gogh Museum. Housing the world's largest collection of works by Vincent van Gogh, the museum invites us to delve deep into the troubled genius's life and art, from his vibrant sunflowers to his starry nights. Amsterdam, the city, where history and artistry flow like its canals. And there you have it, 10 European cities that are a history buff's dream. From Berlin's pivotal moments of the 20th century to Amsterdam's artistic and World War II history, each city offers a distinct glimpse into our shared past. The rich maritime history of Lisbon, Dublin's ancient Viking roots, and the Renaissance heritage of Florence, these are just a few of the historical treasures awaiting your exploration. So which cities are you excited to dive into next? Thank you so much for joining us on this historical ride. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating historical journeys. Also, check out the links in the description below for some fantastic travel-related deals that could help make next history-filled adventure a reality. We look forward to accompanying you on your next historical trip.